Yes, people, today we have an important video for you because we're gonna cancel your transfer on the website remitly.com. This is not about the Remitly app. Your Remitly transfer can be cancelled as long as your recipient hasn't received their money yet, and there will be an edit button on the screen. When your transfer is cancelled, you'll be refunded automatically. You also have the option to change your transfer, if you need to update your recipient's information or other transfer details. Well, first, of course, go to remitly.com, sign in to your profile, and the second, select transfer history from the top menu. Choose the transfer you'd like to cancel. Select the view receipt. Go to the bottom of the screen and select cancel your transfer. Choose cancel transfer. Select the reason for your cancellation and then choose submit. Check out the refund details. So, well guys, and again, this is only possible when your transfer can only be cancelled when your recipient hasn't received the money yet, and the edit button will still be there. Otherwise, your transfer can't be cancelled anymore. Yes, hope I helped you a little bit, and see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a great day.